Hi, welcome to the opening of my Dyson Co-anda2 multi-air styler. This is the newest, greatest Dyson air styler, and I am so excited. My heart is beating fast. I cannot wait to unbox it with you. We're gonna transform today. We're gonna unbox and we're gonna style with all these powerful new tools. So much to love about every Dyson. Look at the beautiful box. This is the Jasper Plum. This Dyson Co-anda Airwrap 2x is twice as powerful. It has some great tools. As always, the Dyson box and packaging is beautiful, precision in and of itself. The base is lighter, stronger. It has a Hyper DM2 motor, which makes it twice as strong as before. That's why it's called the Co-anda2, and it is lighter. It is lighter. It is so beautiful, and a very long cord and a strong, sturdy plug-in system. As always, we're going to get to see that in a minute. Let's look at these attachments. We have this amazing round volumizing brush. It has some great new bristles with a new wavy pattern in there, the cool tip. It is beautiful. And we have the fast dryer, which is 2 times faster. So beautiful in this Jasper Plum color. It is so lovely. And this is our anti-snag loop brush. It has the loops and the bristles in the middle and the wavy curved out ones on the sides that keep your hair from snagging. This is such a great design because your hair can pass through without snagging, without damage, as with all of the Dyson pieces. Less heat and air. And here is the new piece. I cannot wait to use this. This is the Air Smooth. It is to be used on clean, dry hair, and it is a straightening mechanism that uses air and not heat. Twice as powerful as any of the other tools, and I cannot wait to use this one. This is the new piece in this case. This is a set for straight and wavy hair. It does come with 2 options, one for curly and coily hair and one for straight and wavy hair. Both amazing. The curly one has a distinctive curly hair comb as well as a diffuser that works on curly hair, and it's not finished yet. There's still more. This is the secret. Oh my goodness, how I love a Dyson. So the greatest thing about Dyson to me is these Co-anda rollers. They have the best rollers. The wands that they use have dual function, so it's like getting 4 in 1. There we go. Look how pretty this is. You simply turn the cool tip up here to reverse directions. No taking the wand off and on, so you really essentially get 2 in this one and 2 in the secondary. This is 1.6 and this is 1.25. Diameters for different types of curls, beachy waves. You will see so many different ways that we're going to style with this. And you have this beautiful case. The information provided on the Dyson box is like a beauty tutorial. You can see you will have all this great information on each tool. Now, what's so great about this Dyson Co-anda 2 is it is intuitive. You will be able to program your hair with the direct types of settings for each tool, and it will remember it. As always, we've been able to go from hot to medium to cool with the cool shot buttons, pressing as you decided, but this one pre-programs it. Every time you put it on the tool, it will go through each of those steps for you. That is amazing. Sets of heat and 3 sets of volume. This is a great unboxing. I hope you found this helpful. Follow us for more. We're going to transform our hair with this beautiful Dyson Co-anda Airwrap Co-anda2.